The dollhouse you're about to see looks pretty enough to be in a display piece, but it's actually the newest interactive addition to the Kruger Street Toy and Train Museum that will be unveiled a little later this evening. The 6-foot-tall house has 9 rooms to play with, as well as the back and front yards. It took many hours to dream up and build special touches like the hand-laid shingles on the roof and hand-done wallpaper in each room. The museum also rearranged the entire room to display its other smaller dollhouses around this one.
It's very unique because of its size and also that it is able to be played with. So lots of museums have big dollhouses, but we're one of the only ones to have a playable dollhouse, and especially this size.
The Kruger Street Toy and Train Museum has a few other special events coming up that you can visit the rest of this year, including Caboose Night in September, a treated tour in October, and Toys and Tunes around Christmas time. For more information on the museum, you can check out our website, WTRF.com.